Hello everybody, this is going to be a quick video on how to use futures to solve our age sum example. And so you can see we have a program that you've all seen before, and that is our age sum. And you can see we've calculated both sequentially, done the parallel upper-lower split, we've done divide and conquer both sequentially and in parallel. And now we have this lovely sum of futures with upper-lower split that we're going to implement. You can see it's throwing an exception right away. Now, this is going to be a lot like our parallel upper-lower split with async and finish. So let's just go and grab that and talk about how it's different from this example. So if I paste this in as our starting point, the first thing is that I've seen before where people just keep this sub-sum situation. They do their futures and they're writing to them. One of the whole points behind futures is that they're a task that returns a value. So let's get rid of those. I personally, I'm sure we're all kind of a little bit sick of having these arrays and getting around finality. Futures actually let us return something. So let's go ahead and just make these int sum lower and use that here. And int sum upper. And use that here. And we will return some lower and some upper. Okay, so if I run this, to no one's surprise, it actually computes the right value, but we haven't actually done this as a future. And so how we set this up, it is going to change a little bit. If I make a new future type integer, and I do this as the future sum upper or lower future, and I give it this body. I paste this code in here. Now all I want to do is return sum lower, and down here I get that value. So when I run this, you'll see it still works. But now we are getting our parallelism because we create this future, it starts right away. Then while the continuation is computing that, they can work in parallel, and then only after that's all done do I get this value.